Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about web view in Flutter, how to show your website in your Flutter app. And with this we need a package called web view. Let me show you. Here is web view, and here it is, web view Flutter. I'll leave this link in the description so you can install the package. Also, with this package added, you need to go into your build.gradle, and that is in your Android folder. Then you move into your app folder, and then you see the build.gradle, and you set the min SDK version to 20. This should be in 16 or any other number before, but for this dependency we are setting it to 20. If not, it won't run. Okay, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Now after adding it, you import it, web view package, web view Flutter URL. Initial URL, and here we'll be having the string. So I'll be using the Stack Overflow website as a example. So here we have Stack Overflow flow.com. Okay, and give this a comma. Now if you save this, let me save this, and we should see now it is getting the website. We should see this soon. Okay, now we have Stack Overflow website. If you have seen the websites on browsers before, you can see this is the same with the one showing on your mobile app now. Now you get this error: Stack Overflow works best with JavaScript enabled. With the web view package, JavaScript is disabled, so you have to enable it. And here we have our JavaScript mode, and here it will be JavaScript mode dot unrestricted. Okay, now we're having an error here. Oh, okay, yeah, JavaScript. Okay, so it should be JavaScript like this, now with the capital S, and this should be JavaScript mode dot unrestricted here. And let's save this. I think we have to hot restart so we can see this, that the JavaScript mode has been enabled, and this error will leave. Let's wait for it to restart. Okay, so the error is no more there, and if you look at this, it's just the same with like your web browser and everything. So this is where we'll be stopping. If you are new here or if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and put down your comment in the comment section. Also, you can request for any video tutorial you want, I will do that. And if you need the source code, I'll leave it in the description below. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, did you guys notice that I'm using VS Code in this tutorial? So that's just it.